Everyone's talking about AI. Almost no one's showing you how to actually use it to make money.
You don't need to be the algorithm. You need skills. It can't replace. Everyone's talking about AI. I just needed someone to show me how to actually use it.
These are three completely different ads. Same product, same brief, and I made them start to finish inside one AI workspace. No switching between 5 different tools, no re-uploading assets 10 times, just one workflow from brief to finished commercial. Today, I'm showing you exactly how using Flova, an AI native video creation agent platform. Let's get into it. Here's the setup. I'm going to use Flova to create a commercial for my YouTube channel. And the goal is to be able to launch this campaign across multiple ad angles: a problem, the solution, lifestyle, and a social proof without producing each from scratch. Before I open Flova, let me show you what I'm actually working with. So here is the brief, the assets, the photo I want to use, which is my profile picture. And the campaign goal itself is to create commercials to attract people to my YouTube channel to subscribe. The goal of this campaign is to increase subscribers. So this is exactly what a client or a brand would hand off in a real project. Their brief, their documents, the photos, the brand guidelines, all of that you are going to feed into Flova. First step, I uploaded the product brief directly into the Flova project documents. So this isn't just a file storage. Flova reads the brief and uses it as context for everything downstream. From that single brief, Flova generates a set of creative concepts, a storyboard, and a full shot plan automatically. Instead of me starting from a blank page for each ad angle, I now have a structured creative foundation to work from. Before I generate anything, I want everything organized in one place. And this is where Canvas mode comes in. My product photos, the storyboard reference images, and every generated asset all live in the same canvas. Nothing gets buried in random folders or lost in a chat thread. When I'm 3 ad variations deep, I can still find exactly what I need in seconds. Now it's time to generate the first commercial. This generation is running on Cdance 2.5, which is now available directly inside Flova. So I get a stronger motion quality and more cinematic visuals without leaving the workspace. So here's the first result.
Everyone's talking about AI. Almost no one's showing you how to actually use it to make money. It's easy to get overwhelmed by tools, trends, and promises that go nowhere. The real opportunity is learning the right tools, building job-ready skills, and turning an organized workflow into real income. Jordan E. breaks down the AI tools, training, and systems that help you move from scrolling to building. Jordan E. AI tools, AI job training, and real ways to build income. Subscribe now.
This is a solid first draft. The pacing works, but this is just draft 1. Let's see what happens when I push it further. Because the brief, the assets, the storyboard is already set up in this one project, I don't have to rebuild anything to try new angles. I can generate multiple variations straight from the same workspace. So version 1 is a problem with a solution hook, leading with the pain point. Version 2, a lifestyle focus cut, showing a real world moment. And the third version, social proof or like a testimonial style, built around trust. 3 completely different creative directions, same campaign, same workspace, no reset required. Now let's zoom into one specific shot I'm not fully happy with. So instead of regenerating the entire ad, Flova lets you edit at the shot level. I can isolate this exact moment and revise just that piece. Look at the difference. Same ad, same context, but this one shot is notably stronger now, and that's a very big deal because it means I'm not throwing away a good ad just because of one weak moment. Once I've got assets I'm happy with, I save them into the asset library. This means the next time I run a campaign for this product or this goal, or even a different one, I'm not starting from zero. Approved shots, storyboards, and creative concepts are all reusable. This is what actually speeds up production long term, not just for one video, but for every campaign after that.
You don't need to beat the algorithm. You need skills it can't replace. Start with practical AI skills you can use at work, for clients, or to build something of your own. One focused session at a time. You can turn curiosity into work you're proud to show. The future isn't waiting for you to catch up. It's waiting for you to begin. Follow Jordan E. for practical AI skills that move your life forward. Everyone's talking about AI. I just needed someone to show me how to actually use it. I was overwhelmed by tools, trends, and promises that went nowhere. Then I started focusing on the right tools, job-ready skills, and a workflow I could actually stick with. Jordan E. breaks down the AI tools, training, and systems that helped me move from scrolling to building. Jordan E. AI tools, AI job training, and real ways.
So let's look at the full journey. The original brief, the storyboard Flova built from it, the first draft, the revised shot, and the 3 final ad variations. Same starting point, multiple professional publish-ready outputs, planned, organized, reviewed, and produced without leaving one workspace. That's the full workflow, from one product brief to multiple polished ads, all inside Flova. Planning, organizing, reviewing, editing, and producing, all in the same place. Stop juggling AI tools, start creating one intelligent workspace. Flova isn't just another AI video generator, another all-in-one platform. It's an AI native video agent here to help you organize, review, iterate, produce videos within a single creative workflow. Instead of starting from scratch every time, Flova keeps your project context, helps you explore multiple creative directions, refines individual shots, and turns successful workflows into reusable production systems. If you're creating AI ads, short films, viral videos, or series content, Flova lets you spend less time managing tools and more time making creative decisions. Use the link in my description to register and get 100 free credits instantly. You'll also receive 200 credits for every new user you invite. Link is in the first line of the description. Go try it out and let me know in the comments which of these ad variations you run first.